Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Monica and today's video is super special because I have a special guest here, my mom. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a really simple natural makeup look. So I'm going to be doing my mother's makeup. So this makeup tutorial is great for anyone who has more mature skin or anyone who's just looking to really just enhance their natural beauty just using a little bit of makeup. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm super excited to do this natural makeup look on my mom. So to start off, it's super important that we prep the skin. So we already did that. Her skin is nice and cleansed and hydrated. We put on some eye cream and face cream and all that jazz. So her skin is ready for the makeup application. So to start off, we are going to apply some primer. So a really good primer is the Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer. I really like this primer because it's really hydrating and we really want my mom's skin to look really hydrated and plump. So any hydrating primers would be ideal for more mature skin. So I really want my mom to have a beautiful glow from within. So we're gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in the shade number 2 Light. And we're just going to apply this on the high points of her face. And this is just going to, again, bring some natural radiance to her skin. So we're just going to put some on the chin and here. Then I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender just to work that into the skin. Again, this is just going to help her get that beautiful glow from within type of look. So I don't want to use a full coverage foundation on my mom's skin because she really doesn't need it. Her skin is flawless and beautiful. We just want to hide some of the redness. So this product that I've been absolutely in love with recently, this is the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint in shade number 6. So I'm going to use this on my mom's skin and I'm just going to use a very little bit of product and use a damp beauty blender to blend it all in. Also, side note, you always want to apply the product in the center of the face and then work the product outwards so that way you're getting the maximum coverage but not using too much product. All right, so we just finished blending in the Fenty Beauty Blur Skin Tint. So we used very little product, and again, we started at the center of the face and then worked the product outwards. So now I'm just going to put on just a smidge of concealer. I don't want to use a lot because I feel like using a lot of concealer underneath the eyes, especially, it can creep into the fine lines fairly easily and just have them kind of stand out a little bit more. So we're just going to use a very little just to help brighten the under eye, but again, be very careful with how much product you're using. So I'm going in with the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer in the shade 1N. All right, so we have blended the concealer, so now it's time to bronze up the skin just to bring some more life back into her face and bring her features out alive again. So I'm going to be using one of my favorite cream bronzers by Huda Beauty. This is the Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to be using a brush to blend this in. I'm just going to be applying this cream bronzer just at the top of her cheekbones and around her forehead. Alright, so now it's time for a little bit of blush. So I've been loving this blush recently, and it's by the Sephora brand. This is the Flushed Blush in the shade Cloudy Pink. So we're just going to apply a little bit of this cream blush just at the apple of her cheeks and blend it back and upwards towards her bronzer that I just applied. So smile for me. So I'm just using my fingertips first to apply the product right at the apple of the cheeks, and then I'm just going to use a brush to drag the product back. Alright, so the blush is now on, so it looks super natural. So just quickly, I am going to just use a face powder just to lightly dust all over the face, just because we did only use cream products, and I just want to make sure that her makeup lasts all day. So we're gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter face powder. This is in the shade number 2, so it just looks like this, and I'm just going to be using a big fluffy brush, and again I'm just very lightly going to dust this over the face, so then that way we can combat any shine, have the makeup last all day, and we don't want to go heavy-handed with the powder because we want her to look radiant and glowy and youthful. Alright, so I want to add a little bit more glow to her skin. So we're going to go in with a highlight. This is Champagne Pop from Becca Beauty and Jaclyn Hill. So I'm just going to use a brush like so, and I'm just going to apply this highlight just at the high points of her face. Alright, so before we move on, I'm just going to quickly use a setting spray just to lock in everything. So this is my favorite setting spray. This is by Morphe, and this is their continuous setting mist. So I'm just going to apply this again all over her face. Alright, so next up we are just going to fill in the brows. So my mom's brows are quite sparse, but we're just going to fill them in just so they stand out a little bit more. And I'm going in with the Urban Decay Brow Blade just so I'm able to mimic each little hair stroke a little bit more better, so it looks a little natural as well. Alright, so we finished filling in my mom's eyebrows. So to keep things, again, really simple and light, we're just going to quickly curl her eyelashes and apply a very light coat of mascara. Alright you guys, so we're almost done this beautiful makeup look. Now we're just going to apply some lip product. So I'm just going to be using a combination of 2 lip liners. So one is a little bit more of a beigey nude, and this one's a little bit more of that rosy beige. So I'm just going to use a combination of these 2 lip liners first. Alright, and next, just to finish off this lip combo, I'm going in with a lipstick and lip gloss. So this lipstick is by MAC. It's a really beautiful, like, nude pink lipstick. And then we're going in with the Morphe lip gloss. This is also a beautiful pink lip gloss. So we're just going to keep things really pink and nude and fresh here. Alright you guys, so we have completed this beautiful, simple makeup look for my mom. How do you feel?
I feel okay.
You feel okay?
Yeah. I feel different, so
do you feel pretty?
Compared to before and now, I look nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look pretty. Cutie. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this really fun video. I hope you all enjoy your special day with your mothers this coming Mother's Day. I know I will be spending my day with my mom at home, and we're just going to have a good time regardless of the situation of this world right now that we live in. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.